Welcome to Special Car Stoke. My name is Umesh Samani. I'm the proprietor of Specialist Car Stoke. We do a full walk around video of every single car to show you how nice all our cars are. So please enjoy the walk around video of this car and I'll tell you why you should be buying your car from me. Absolutely fabulous example just arrived in BMW 420d M.Sport Gran Coupe, finished in Glacier silver metallic. It is beautiful. It's got £4,000 worth of factory fitted options. Just look at it, absolutely gorgeous. It's got the upgraded 19-inch twin spoke alloy wheels, privacy glass, full black Dakota leather. Great looking coupe in absolutely outstanding condition. Very spacious cars. 2 litre, 190 brake horsepower, 8-speed automatic gearbox. Front and rear parking sensors. Just look at that massive boot. Rear load carrier. All nice and clean, not been abused or knocked about in any way. Split folding rear seats. Great condition all overall. Additional storage just under there. All the loading area, no damage at all there. Luxury tailgate. All the bodywork down the sides. Absolutely beautiful. No nasty dents, scratches, scuffs, dings anywhere. It's got the upgraded M.Sport brakes as well. So you've got the blue calipers, factory blue calipers. All the wheels are finished in orbital grey. We've just had those sandblasted and powder coated all professionally, so they are like new. There's no damage, there's no scuffs, there's no marks. It's just fabulous all the way around. Front parking sensors, headlight washers. What a gorgeous car. Lots of space in there, plenty of leg room. All nice and clean, all the trims in great condition. Non-smoker's car, no smells in here. All the upholstery in fabulous condition. Amazing pillarless. So you've got the windows just there, no door pillars. Again, all the trims, great condition, electric windows front and rear, electric mirrors, front sport seats, heated seats. Of course, these are great, you just adjust that just nicely under your legs, get it really comfortable, and these seats do really hug you in. Again, the condition, absolutely outstanding. Central armrest, USB aux input in there. Harmon Kardon stereo upgrade. Keyless start. Nice display on there. All the multimedia, the communication, navigation, Connect Drive. All very straightforward. Apple Play as well on this one, that was an option. Nice clear screen. Media, radio. And of course on this one you can adjust the suspension as well. Comfort, Eco, Sport, radio, stereo, CD, dual zone climate control, heated seats, mileage of just 57,214. That's what it's done, 57,214. Of course you've got the multifunction leather sport steering wheel with cruise control, speed limiter on there, all the radio functions on there, paddle shift gear change, automatic lights, auto dimming mirror. Just a beautiful, beautiful example all around. Of course you've also got total closure facility, very handy. Hold the button down, all the windows go up automatically. Of course we've got 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear. We welcome part exchange. Great finance available direct from ourselves. Use our online finance calculator to work out your HP, your PCP deals. You can apply direct off our website. Very quick, very easy, very simple. You can click and reserve this car 24/7 off our website. So if you fancy this car at 2 o'clock in the morning, click and reserve, click and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery if you so wished. Ask us for full details how that works. Read about our raving fans reviews, and you'll see why customers come back to us time and time again. Any further details, please just give us a call, 01782 822 700. Specialist Cars, multi-award winning dealer based in Stoke-on-Trent, Staffordshire. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997, and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition, and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call, 01782 822 700.